Downtown Flavortown in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, is a vibrant entertainment complex that offers a unique blend of dining, gaming, and fun. It's a place you can enjoy a variety of activities all under one roof. For those who love gaming, the arcade section is a gamer's paradise with over 10,000 square feet of state-of-the-art arcade games. From redemption games to virtual reality experiences, there's no shortage of entertainment. Yeah. We broke it. We did it. Check out this iconic 1968 Chevy Camaro. They also have the Duck Pin 14-lane bowling alley. It's a great way to have fun with friends or family while enjoying some delicious food and drinks. Don't forget to check out the Tiki Bar, where you can relax and enjoy tropical drinks in a laid-back atmosphere. It's the ideal place to unwind after a day of gaming and bowling. The restaurant at Downtown Flavortown is known for its diverse menu featuring Guy Fieri's famous culinary combinations. Whether you're in the mood for a classic comfort foods or something more adventurous, there's always something to satisfy every palate. Overall, Downtown Flavortown is a must-visit destination for anyone looking for a memorable time in Pigeon Forge. With its wide range of activities and delicious food options, it's sure to be an enjoyable experience for all ages looking to level up their dining and entertainment game. Go to LaPorte Adventures on YouTube to see more.